Welcome to the latest edition of Immunology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Dupixent gained European Commission approval for moderate to severe chronic spontaneous urticaria in children aged 2 to 11 years, with inadequate response to H1 antihistamines and no prior anti-immunoglobulin E therapy. The decision was supported by the Liberty Cupid program, including adult Phase 3 efficacy data and pediatric Cupid Kids pharmacokinetic, safety, and efficacy findings. Saphnelo was approved by Health Canada as a subcutaneous self-administration option for adults with active, autoantibody-positive systemic lupus erythematosus on standard therapy. The approval was based on interim Phase 3 TULIP-SC results, showing a statistically significant and clinically meaningful reduction in disease activity versus placebo. LEO Pharma acquired Korean marketing authorization for Spevigo from Boehringer and Amgen, effective 16 March 2026. The transfer adds spesolimab for acute flares in adults with generalized pustular psoriasis to LEO Pharma Korea's dermatology portfolio and broadens its presence in psoriasis and rare dermatology. Boehringer and Amgen stopped BI 3009947 after a Phase 1 study in healthy men, while Amgen discontinued AMG 378 after a Phase 1 study in healthy volunteers. Both companies said the data did not support further development, with Amgen also citing low likelihood of clinical success and portfolio prioritization. Nkarta announced that the FDA agreed to protocol changes for NKX019 in the Ntrust-1 and Ntrust-2 autoimmune disease trials. The changes enable outpatient administration, shorter monitoring, optional redosing, and the addition of a rheumatoid arthritis cohort to Ntrust-2. VTAMA was highlighted in the 2026 American Academy of Dermatology Pediatric Atopic Dermatitis Guidelines. The guideline gave Tapanarof Cream 1% a strong recommendation and described it as the only steroid-free topical treatment with high certainty evidence indicated across all severities in children aged 2 years and older. The FDA accepted LEO Pharma's supplemental NDA for ANZUPGO cream in patients aged 12 to 17 years with moderate to severe chronic hand eczema. The filing is supported by positive Phase 3 delta-teen data on primary and key secondary endpoints, according to the company. China's NMPA approved Enstilar for adults with plaque psoriasis. LEO Pharma said the approval was backed by a Phase 3 study in Chinese adults, comparing Enstilar foam with Divobit ointment over 4 weeks. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.